Zdravo! This video is about short but very important words, prepositions. The purpose of prepositions is to link the words together. For example, link verbs to nouns or pronouns. Examples of prepositions in English are in, at, on, for, around, etc. You probably know that the Serbian language has cases. Well, prepositions are one of these groups of words that do not change through cases. This makes prepositions a bit easier to learn. But as you will see in this video, prepositions are like signals that indicate which cases we need to use after them. So, in a way, there is no running away from cases in Serbian language. Prepositions can indicate place, direction, manner, time, etc. So we will first start with some prepositions that indicate location and are followed by the genitive case. To illustrate some of the prepositions that we use for place and that are followed by genitive, I will describe this photo that you see here. Ovo je soba, od poda do plafona ima oko 2 metra. U sobi je kauč. Ispod kauča je tepih. Iznad kauča je balon. Iza kauča su slike. Pored kauča je stočić. Tepih je usred ili nasred sobe. Ispred kauča stoji devojka. Pas leži između kauča i devojke. Blizu ili nedaleko od kauča je saksija sa cvećem. Ova devojka će uzeti knjige sa police i izaći iz sobe. Some other common prepositions for place. Oko. Deca trče oko kuće. Kraj ili duž. Kraj puta ili duž puta se nalaze prodavnice. Preko puta moje kuće je pijaca. Now let's see some prepositions that we use with genitive, but this time to indicate time. Some of those are the same as the one we use for location. For example, od and do. Radim u kancelariji od ponedeljka do petka. Između. Zakazat ćemo sastanak između ove i sljedeće subote. Usred. Sneg je pao usred maja. Preko leta boravimo u Srbiji. And then a few prepositions that I'm going to put in the same sentence, and these are nakon, pre, posle, uoči, oko. Vratit ćemo se kući nakon praznika ili pre praznika, posle praznika, uoči praznika, oko praznika. One preposition that indicates how something is done. The preposition bez. Naši učenici su položili ispit iz srpskog jezika bez problema. And now two prepositions that indicate the cause. These are the prepositions zbog and od. Moja jakna je mokra zbog kiše. Umorila sam se od pričanja na tu temu. One preposition that indicates replacement. Umesto. Moja koleginica je održala prezentaciju umesto mene. Two prepositions that indicate exclusion. These are prepositions bez i osim. On je uradio domaći bez naše pomoći. Svi su tu osim Ane. And this is all. We covered most prepositions that go with the genitive case. You might see some of these prepositions also followed by other cases in Serbian. The great example is the preposition sa. In this video, we used it as an example of the preposition that we use to describe place. For example, ona je uzela knjigu sa police. But this preposition is also followed by instrumental when it indicates company. Idem u bioskop sa drugaricama. To practice the prepositions more, I've prepared a small quiz for you, which you can find in the community section of our channel. So just go to the community tab and you will see the quiz there, and try doing the quiz and let us know how you've done on it. The best way to support our channel is to click on the subscribe button and also to like this video. This will make the channel more visible to other people and also provide support to us to keep creating more content for your Serbian language learning journey. Vidimo se, hvala vam puno i do sljedećeg videa. Ćao!